If you want to recover your Trust wallet, you have two options. Either you can do it from your phone using mobile app, or you can do it through the browser extension. So you have to download it from the official Trust Wallet website and install it. So you have three options if you want to recover your Trust wallet. That's going to be using seed phrase. That's the safest method. You need to remember your 12 words. It could be also 18 or 24, especially if you want to recover some other wallets into Trust wallet. And if you don't have them, look for backups. Sometimes if you create it on your phone, you may back it up to your iCloud or manually write it down somewhere. So check password managers, notebooks, drawers, look for the 12 words everywhere. And if you don't have that, you may have had exported your private key before, and you can recover your individual accounts with private key, although it's not the safest method, but still it's an option if other options are not available. So after you decided to recover it in your wallet extension, choose I already have a wallet, and after that choose the method you want to protect your browser extension, so either fingerprint recognition or password. I'm gonna go for fingerprint recognition since I always forget my passwords and they're not reliable for me. But if you fail to keep them safe, the passwords, don't worry, because you can still use your 12 words. Choose Trust Wallet option, and if you have your wallet open in a mobile app, you can also scan QR code and open it into your laptop or PC straight from the phone. It's kind of easy, but if you don't have that, import with secret recovery phrase. And now you have to type in your words. It's important so you type them one by one in the correct order as you got them when you created the wallet. Also, don't make any typos, because even one typo can make the whole seed phrase invalid, and we don't want that. If your seed phrase is invalid, you can manually verify it against the BIP39 word list. You can also contact us, CryptoRecovers, so we reconstruct the seed phrase for you using our custom software.